How to solve 1 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 16 power x. Find the value of x. So at first we divided by 16 power x in both sides. So divided by 16 power x divided by 16 power x divided by 16 power x. Now we see this will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now 1 power x divided by 16 power x, that means it will be 1 over 16, then bracket common power x. According to this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. Here x same power but different base. Then plus again x same power but different base. So according to this exponential rule, we can write here 4 over 16, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 4 bracket power 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 4 square is same as 16. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus we see 4 divided by 4, that means it will be 1. 16 divided by 4, that means it will be 4. So we have 1 over 4, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now here we can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, I can write here 1 by 4 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2, then plus 1 by 4 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 4 bracket power x, 1 by 4 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 1 by 4 bracket power x is substituted by t. So our equation will be t square plus t then is equal to 1. Now I can write here t square plus t, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply quadratic formula, so I can write here t is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, then b is as 1, after that c is as minus 1. Now we can write here t will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So, bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now, I can write here t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus, then 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now, I can write here t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. Now, we see here two cases, so I can write here t is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or t is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now, remember that let 1 by 4 bracket power x is substituted by t. So, t, that means 1 by 4 bracket power x. So, t, that means it will be 1 by 4 bracket power x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2, or t, that means 1 by 4 bracket power x. So, 1 by 4 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now, we see 1 by 4 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So, positive cannot be equal to negative. So, this is rejected. Now, from here we take log in both sides. We can write here log of 1 by 4 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now, here you can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r move to the base. So, according to this rule, we can compare here. This power x will move to the base. So, you can write here x log 1 by 4 is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now, we need the value of x. So, we divided by log of 1 by 4 in both sides. So, divided by log of 1 by 4 divided by log of 1 by 4. Now, we see this log of 1 by 4, this log of 1 by 4 will be cancelled. So, here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 4. So, this is
how to solve
x power x is equal to 3 power of x plus 9. Find the value of x. So we have x power x is equal to 3 power of x plus 9 is same as 3 power x times 3 power 9. Here we apply to this rule, a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. Now we divided by 3 power x in both sides. So divided by 3 power x divided by 3 power x. Now we see this 3 power x, this 3 power x will be cancelled. Now we see x same power but different base. So remember this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this rule, we can compare here x over 3, then bracket common power x is equal to 3 power of 9. Now we divided by power of 3 in both sides. So divided by power of 3 divided by power of 3. Now we see x by 3, both term is same. So let x over 3 is substituted by t. So our equation will be t power t is equal to 3 power of 9 divided by 3, that means it will be 3. Now here we can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can write here t will be equal to 3. But remember that let x over 3 is substituted by t. So t, that means it will be x over 3. So t, that means x over 3 is equal to 3. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by 3 in both sides. So multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Now we see this 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to 3 multiplied by 3, that means it will be 9. So 9, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.